Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited video for all the lovely ladies out there who are celebrating Karva Chauth. We are going to show you some stunning ideas to decorate your puja thali, making it an absolutely showstoppers. Let's begin with the basics. Start by choosing a beautiful thali, preferably in gold or silver, to create in that traditional touch. Now let's move on to the decor. You can start by adorning the edges of the thali with colorful gota lace. This will instantly the charm to your thali. Next, let's focus on the center of the thali. Place a small decorative diya and a beautiful ideal of the deity or you worship. Surrounded it with fresh flower and petals or rose petals to make it look even more appealing. You can place some intricately designed mehndi cone and elegant bangles on the side. This will add a touch of elegance to your thali. Now let's talk about the essential. Make sure you have all the necessary item for the puja. Keep a tiny box of sindoor, a small chandan containers, and a box for chawal. Ensure that all these items are beautifully arranged with your thali to add a extra touch of grace. Last but not least, never forget your karwa. You can attach a small decorative karwa to the side of your thali, symbolize and the purpose of the fast. And there you have it. Your puja thali is now transformed into a stunning masterpiece. Now all that's left is for you perform your prayers with love and devotions. Happy Karva Chauth, ladies, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY ideas and inspiration. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.